When you use a Google form and you have short answer or text responses, sometimes it's hard to read those responses in the spreadsheet. Like I have here a short response from a form that I recently gave. There's an add-on for Google Sheets called Save as Doc that will let you export any column or any line of data to a Google Doc. So here's how this works. So under the add-ons, you have to go into the Get Add-ons and look for the add-on called Save as Doc. When you start it, it pops up over here on the right. Give it a name first. In your document, you can include the headers, which are your questions from your Google form, which is in row 1. You can also choose what style those headers appear as in the document. So I'm just going to choose 3. You can add a page break between each row if you want, or between each row, and then you can save it. So I'm going to do that. I'm just going to select these 2 selections here. If I was wanting the entire row, you could just click on the row number and that would select the entire row. In this case, I'm just going to select the 2 responses here. So I will have, when I click Save as Doc, it's going to generate a document, a Google Doc, with this name and 2 pages, one for each cell basically, and I can open it right from here. There's my header. There is my response in row 1, and once the page loads and I'm able to scroll down, then you will see page 2 and that response, and that's in the response spreadsheet. If I was to collect the entire row, I would have each header on a page, and if it all fit on one page, it would just make a page break for the next line, or it would bleed into the next page. But at the end of the columns where there's data, there would be a page break, and so you'd have a separate page starting for that next line of data. But that's how the add-on Save as Doc works